Do we pull out?
That's what she said.
What?
What?
This is louder than anger. And today, you're like you're shaking hard.
Is it there for you to setting up? Back in Ziggy's. Breakfast at Ziggy's again. This time with everybody. Well, and hi, good morning. I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging them. I'm sorry?
What size were you thinking?
The smallest one?
About 30, right?
Okay, thank you.
And I have a cherry blossom. Cherry that caramel macchiato ice, 16 ounce with coconut milk, light whipped cream, and that cherry blossom ice, 20 ounce. Sounds good. Awesome.
Loading Ziggy's. Okay.
Do we pull out?
That's what she said.
What?
What? I
Okay.
don't know if the boomerang pull out.
Wild. Let me see what else.
The cowboy is
Lucia has to say here.
getting ready. Look at this. Look at that beautiful, beautiful bird. He's rushing. Okay, I've been rushing to get ready that I forgot to vlog. Wait. He is with the wedding party already, and yeah, this is my makeup skincare station, and I'm already putting on my foundation, my look at that. my oh my god, what is the word? Concealer. But yeah, so I already wore my dress. The dress, this is not how I'm supposed to put it. It's not off shoulder, but yeah, this is the dress. And yeah, I don't want to be late. Me and Yossi, we are gonna be taking the shuttle bus at 3:30. So I shall return. Oh my god, I'm so bad at vlogging. But yeah, I will be back. Okay, Tarot. Okay, we are ready. I'm supposed to put it like this, and then in my boots, and yeah, we are ready. I'm gonna head downstairs because it's 3:20, 3:25 almost, and Yossi there. I'm gonna wear jacket, by the way, because it's chilly. Okay, ganyan lang ang atake natin. Yeah. Let's go. Welcome to our happily ever after. We were here earlier with the setup. Okay, we are at the location. As always, we are early.
Yes, yes.
And the wedding party is not here yet. Now waiting for the ceremony to start. He is gonna be the guest. I forgot what this is. Oh, and look, it's even embossed with their name. There's
Oh.
the Cisneros. Yeah, it's so
This is so cool. I'm gonna, oh.
Family and friends, and looking at the venue and the crowd, I should say, not just y'all, but all y'all. Strength, and now stand beside a man who meets her at the same and little savvy. They've created a home where kindness is louder than anger. And today, his presence is here in spirit. By a whole lot of love, and the great state of Colorado, I proudly pronounce you husband and wife. Patrick,
Oh, and it's I don't know what type of paper this is. And then your cards and everything.
They introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Cisneros. Let's hear it for them. Give it up for our folks at Couple of the Millennium.
We've been working all day.
When you first met, who made the first move?
I first heard about him when, does anyone remember the Buzz Lightyear movie?
Manny, and I've known this guy for so many years, like 20 years, right? And it's funny because we've never met until recently at Nick's wedding, taking this great man in and making him better. And, you know, seeing the love that you guys have for each other and your family, you know, I'm happy and I hope it grows every day. And from that, you know, a toast to you guys, and we wish you all the best. Love you both.
It's open.
Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Right, slide to the right.
Keep right, keep no squat, do RPCM.
Let me get up close. Hold on. Oh, this is nice. Oh.
legs shaking, bro.
Because we're all asleep.
My knees. One more. Dude, your legs are shaking hard, bro.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Baboosh! Mwah! Stay Veyga!